What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? You want to go for a ride? Okay. Take over. Ready?
Wow, too fast. Woo! Who needs toys when you got cardboard boxes?
Okay.
Adam,
sorry.
can you say baby?
Baby.
Oh, thank you. That was very... Can you say please? Good job. Can you say more? More? You're very confused because you don't want more of anything, do you?
Except more.
Do you want more box? Go. Boy, you almost got dumped.
I'm done.